Hello students, today I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Now in this question we have sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Now here it is said that sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. Like if I take two number, say 2 and 7, the sum of these two is 9. Now so here these numbers are not given, so we will have to consider, suppose we will say in 2's place, suppose x is there, okay, and here we know that the sum of 2 digit is 9. Now suppose how to find this unknown number, another number, okay, we'll take x on the right hand side. So this will be another number will be 9 minus x, because if x goes on right hand side and the sign of x is plus, then it will be minus. So if one number is x, another number will be 9 minus x. Now when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number. Now at first we will have to write the original number, okay. Now here we have got two number, which is x and 9 minus x. Now if suppose 27, 7 is in 1's place and 2 is in 10's place, then how can we write this? If 2 is at 10's place, then we can write 2 into 10, and if 7 is at 1's place, then we can write 7 into 1, right? Similarly we will take here, we will take as x, and here we will take as 9 minus x. So if 9 if in 10's place, if x is there, and if 1's place 9 minus x is there, so what will be the original number? So the original number will be x into 10, as this is at 10's place, so it is x into 10, plus as this is at 1's place, so it will be multiplied by 1. So this is our original number. Now if we interchange the digit, it is said that if we interchange the digit, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number. So here if we interchange the digit, means here in 10's place, suppose 9 minus x is there, because at first we have considered 9 minus x is at 1's place. Now we are taking this as 10's place, and in 1's place we are taking x. So what will be, how to write this new number? This is new number, okay. So if 9 minus x is at 10's place, then it can be multiplied by 10, okay, and if x is at 1's place, then it can be multiplied by 1. So this is original number, so this is original number here, and this is new number. Now it is said that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Now suppose if I take a number, say 5, and another number is say 10 more than this number, so what will be another number? 5 plus 10, which is 15. So what is the difference between this and this? It's 10. So 15 means the original number which we have got, the new number which we have got, from there if you subtract original number, then we'll be getting the difference between these two, which is 10. Now let's start. Here we'll consider, let x be at unit place. X we have considered as 10's place, so we will consider x be at 10's place, and 9 minus x be at unit place. So what will be the original number then, if x be at 10's place and 9 minus x be at unit place? So original number will be so 10 will be multiplied by x, as 10 is at unit place, and 9 minus x will be multiplied by 1, as it has unit place. So here 10 into x is 10x, plus if we solve this, 9 minus x. Now 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. So this is our original number. Now after interchanging, now it is said that when we interchange the digit, so after interchanging, the new number will become, after interchanging new number. What will be the new number here? See, this 10 will be at this x will be at 10, this x will be at unit place, as it was in the origin while forming original number. X was at tens place. Now we will consider x as x will be at unit place and 9 minus x will be at tens place. Just we will interchange the number like this. Okay, so here a new number will be, so 9 minus x will be multiplied by 10 and x will be multiplied by 1. So if you multiply by, so 10 multiplied by 9 is 90, minus 10 into x is 10x plus x. Now here 1 plus 1 minus, so what will be, 90 will remain same, here plus minus minus, so 10 minus 1 is 9x, and since sign of 10 is greater, so answer will be minus. So it will be, new number will become 90 minus, new number will become 90 minus 9x. Now according to the question, it is said that the one number is greater, the new number is greater than the original number by 27. So the difference between original number and new number or new number and original number will be 27. As we are finding the difference, so new number is greater, so we will have to put new number at first, and then we'll put minus sign and we'll put then original number, which is 9x plus 9, and the difference between these two is 27. Now 90 minus 9x will remain same. We'll just multiply by minus sign. So minus 9x, we'll remove the bracket. So we are multiplying by minus sign. So sign will change. So it will be minus 9x and then plus minus minus 9, which is equals to 27. Now 90 minus 9. Now 90 minus 9 is 81, and if you calculate these two, minus minus plus, so 99 plus 9 is 18x, and the sign will be minus, which is equals to 27. Now 81 will be taking to another side, so 27 minus 81. So here minus 18x is equals to 81 minus. Now 81 minus 27 is 7 to 11 is 4. So 8 will be 8 will be 7. So it will be 2 to 7 is 5. And the sign of 81 is greater. So it will be minus. So what will be the value of x? It will be minus 54 divided by minus 18. Now we'll cancel the minus sign. Now 18 ones are 18. 18 threes are 54. So the value of x will be 3. So it will be 3. Now what will be the two-digit number? Therefore the required number is, here in the while forming the original number, x we have considered as tens place, and here, so if I write t and o, x was at tens place and 9 minus x was at ones place. So here in place of x we have got 3, and in place of here where we have considered n minus x, so n minus x means if you take n minus x, so if you put the value of x here, then we'll be getting 6. So in ones place it will be 6, so the required number is 36. Now in the next question we have, one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of the two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So here it is said that one of the two digit of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Suppose if the number is 2, 3 times of 2 is 6. So that means 26. Okay. Now if you interchange the digit, means at first I have taken this is in tens place and 6 is in ones place, and after interchanging 6 will be at tens place and 2 will be at ones place. Then add the resulting number. This is the resulting number RS and this is the original number, suppose. Okay. Now here it is said that add the resulting number to the original number. This is original number and this is the resulting number. Now if you add these two, you will get 88. So this is the question. So let's start. So I am considering here one is x and another number is 3 times other digit. Other digit if we consider as x, so the one of the digit will be 3x, because it is said that 3 times the other digit. So we will consider x and 3x. Okay, these will be the two digits. Now one we will consider at tens place and another will be considered at ones place. So let x be at tens place and 3x be at unit place. Okay, now what will be the original number then? So if x is at tens place, okay, if x is at tens place, then x will be multiplied by 10, and if 3x is at unit place, then 3x will be multiplied by 1, means 3x only. So 10x plus 3x is 13x. So this is the original number. Now let's find the resulting new number. So what will be the new number? So after interchanging, we will get the new number. Okay, so we'll write after interchanging, new number will become. So what will be the new number? See, at first we have considered x is at tens place. So here we will consider x is at ones place and 3x will be at tens place. So if 3x is in tens place, then it will be multiplied by 10, and if x is at ones place, then it will be multiplied by 1, so it will be x only. So 3x into 10 is 30x plus x is 31x. So this is the original number and this is the new number. Now it is said that if you add these two, means original number and new number, if you add, then you will get 88. So according to the question, original number will be added to new number to get 88. So 13 plus 31, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4. So 44x is equals to 88. So what will be the value of x? 88 divided by 44. So it's 2. 44 ones are 44, 44 twos are 88. So the value of x is 2. Now here it is said that what is the original number? Here original number we have considered. See, x is at tens place, 3x will be at unit place. So x, so therefore original number will become, x is at tens place means x is here. Okay, so in x place it will be 2 and 3x we have considered as unit place. So what will be 3x? See here, 3x, so value of x is 2, so it will be 6, so the number will be 6. So the number is 26 here. Why? Because here x is at tens place, so 2 will be at tens place, and 3x is at unit place, so 3x means 6, so 6 will be at unit place. So the number will become 26. Thank you, students.